Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox this unknown item that my son got. So just got that delivered. So let's go ahead and open this. It seems kind of hard to open this. Let me check. There you go. So it's very sticky. So I think this is some kind of coin, but after I open this box, I cannot open the one that's inside. Since one is for resale. Seems like it's already open. What? Where's the coin? Oh my gosh. Where's the coin? Did somebody stole it? Well, anyway, that's all I'm going to open right now because we're missing a coin. Well, you guys are lucky. He told me I could open this because first he thought it was a factory seal. So this one's the B-75 and of the World War II 75th anniversary American Eagle silver-proof coin. So let's go ahead and unbox this one and then let you see. Let's go ahead and open the lid. You got this card. $1, 99.9% silver. That's the spec right there. Here's a certificate of authenticity. And you got this nice velvet case. So this one's $83. Wow, look at that. Got the Liberty and In God We Trust. 2020. United States Mint. Let's go ahead and there's a notch right here. Oh my god. I don't know if I want to lift. What? Don't want to mess that up. Yeah, I want to see the back, but it's fitting there. It's pretty snug. I don't want to mess with it, so. And this one was just another case for $4.95. This one is the black presentation case number 401, which is maybe for this $1 coin. When it's out the case, so yeah, that's the price right there. And this coin is going for about $500. Yeah, it's fitting there pretty snug. I don't want to mess with it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.